Hi everybody, today I'm doing a review on these vegan jackfruit cakes. They're crabless cakes and they're made of mostly jackfruit. See that? Those are the ingredients right there. I think they must get the seafood taste by using the celery seed spice and the celery salt and green onion. So you can either fry these on each side for 8 to 10 minutes, or you can put them in the oven for 425 for 8 minutes. And you get 4. I actually haven't had crab cakes in a really long time, so I'm excited to try these. Right now it actually smells like real crab cookie. Here they are. And now the tough part is just waiting a few minutes for them to cool down. They look really great. I mean, and they're also like a good size. See, it's as big as the palm of my hand. It smells like a seafood hash brown. Alona is brave and she wants to give it a try.
I don't like it.
She doesn't like it, but she's going for more. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna give it a try. It doesn't taste like crab at all to me. It just has a crunchy outside layer, and the inside is squishy. It's not horrible, but if you really think it's gonna taste like crab, it doesn't taste like crab. This tastes like a crunchy cabbage cake. Thanks for watching.